Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing well and learning a lot from my tutorials. So in this tutorial I have brought a tool website where user can run HTML, CSS and JavaScript within the same within this tool, and we'll be building this website using WordPress as usual. So it will have a simple one-page design, as you can see, and it has more features, okay, that this kind of tool should have. So let me introduce some features of this tool first, and we'll start creating our tutorial. Okay, so first of all, you will see here the code selector. Okay, so basically there are two codes, which are first is HTML, CSS, JS, and the second is PHP. So currently PHP is not working over here. Okay, it's disabled. This is only the HTML, CSS and JS working. Okay, this is the run button. So when you copy and paste the code in this editor, so you need to click on the run, so the code will run and will show output in this preview. We have clear button, it will go on all the code when you click on this button, and there we have the most important button, which is save. So basically suppose we have the code. Okay, so we have this code and you want to save this code, so click on save and add, write a name. So I will write here as 1. So click on save and it will be saved in the users database. Okay, now what the next part? The next part is you can easily load the code that you have set previously. Okay, so click on load and here you will see first let me clear this code, and there we have code. Okay, as you can see the name was 1, so just click on load and your code will be loaded successfully as it is. Okay, so basically this is the main feature of this tool. So most people will think that this tool is available all over the everywhere. Okay, because it's true, it's available, but it's not inside the WordPress in this manner. Okay, I have just implemented this feature and connected to the WordPress database, so it will be stored dynamically within the users meta field. Okay, so you don't need to store this locally anywhere. Okay, so that's why we need this tool need actually the registration. Then this is the load button, dark button. This is currently disabled. We have full screen to see the code in the full screen mode, and we have responsiveness of this tool. Okay, to check out the output for multiple devices. And here we will introduce the feature like you can just download the single file from here. Okay, and also you can download from the zip. Just give a name and it will be downloaded as a zip. Okay, here. And so this was the code. Okay, and here inside this editor you just need to copy the code HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and just paste and run over here. Okay, it will be run automatically in this preview and will show over here. Okay, just click on the run button and it will be run and will show up output completely on this preview. Okay, also there is a dashboard for the user. So click on dashboard and you will see all the saved projects. Currently we had saved this project and we had give a name as 1, and it's showing under this users meta field. From here you can do the code, copy, and also you can delete. Okay, so in this way whatever you will add the code in this code editor, you need to save, and then every code snippets will be saved inside your dashboard. Okay, Now so this, and just below you will see the some design elements, okay, like this, which are completely designed using the Elementor. You are very familiar with those designs. Now let me introduce the user registration behavior of this form, of this tool website. So I open this in incognito mode, and there are some restrictions. So first, it should be a login. So here we have a login pages in this way. This is the registration page, okay. Also we have the reset page over here. Now so if the user is not logged, okay, so when you can run easily, okay, no doubt about it, but when you want to save, give a name, then it will ask you to log in, okay. Without login you can load and you can save. So when you click on this button, you will be redirected to these pages. Okay, so there are some restrictions for the user login. So there are some restrictions for the users, so they should be login on this website to save their code snippets, okay, later they can retrieve. So I hope you like its features too, and in few moments we will be just redirecting to the dashboard and we'll start creating the tutorial, okay. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here we are now inside our WordPress dashboard. Now let's install the theme. So here I have installed this Ocean WP WordPress theme, and so here I had not to install this theme, so we'll be using our Cadence theme, okay. This, click on install. So this time I'm using this Cadence theme, okay. So alright, our theme is installed. Now let's install the plugin as well. So our fixed plugins are Elementor and the Pro Elements. So this is the Elementor, install it. Next plugin, which is Pro Elements. Go to plugin installer, and here under the installed plugins, just activate these two plugins, okay. Alright, so here we need premium add-ons and this Royal Elementor add-ons, okay. So let's install them. So I will simply write add-ons. This is Royal Elementor and this premium. So the reason behind to install these plugins are we get a lot of widgets which will help to designing our website very efficiently, okay. Click. Now go to install plugin. This is premium add-ons and Royal Elementor add-ons. Just activate them. Okay, so I will skip this wizard, and there is an update for these Pro Elements. You can update this plugin. Alright, so we have successfully installed and activated our themes and plugins. Now let's create the pages. So very first we will create the home page. From here, set to Elementor full width, click on publish, okay. Okay, so that's it. Now appearance and customize, we will set our home page. So here homepage settings, select and publish it. Okay, and close this. Now so one more page we have to add, which is dashboard, where all the code snippets of that particular user will be displayed. Okay, right now we will create a menu. We will require this menu to show this home and dashboard. Okay. Here write as main menu, home and dashboard. Okay, now we will start from the header. Okay, so here you will see this tool. So basically it's an HTML, CSS and JavaScript developed tool, where we have to just place this code inside the Elementor's HTML widget. Okay, and in the backend we have to put style and script.js files so that it will work perfectly. And there are some helping plugin for this tool to work with the WordPress. Okay, and then it's done. So let's just customize our header under this theme builder. Click on header. Let's set the background color for this website. Select the settings, header settings, and under the style just paste your color code. Okay, so this is the official I mean it's an NBG color. Save this color. Okay, again container, I will keep it the boxed. Okay, in the first we have a logo, so we have to set our logo as well. Go to customize, and from here we will change all the colors as well. So colors, and this is the accent color. We need to change the side background color. Okay, click on publish. Now under this header, this is the logo. Select logo. Here is the logo. Okay, just keep cropping. That's it. Also there is a site title, so no need to change the site title and tagline as well, because we are already creating the customized header. Okay, so this thing will not be eligible in this case. So click on publish, and also we click publish this for the entire site, and reload this page. And here make this content row horizontal. Okay, in the first column we need to set the site title, not title, is site logo full. I will shift this to the left, and also I will make it px. And 50 px. Okay, it's enough. And also the items align to center, and we have this menu. Here did you see that we have a lot of widgets? Okay, as we install these two plugins, the premium items and the other one. Okay, so I will just this WordPress pen. Okay, so we have only two. Now change to background, keep here none, and go to style, change that border radius to, okay, first let's change the color. Here the pointer color, so let's add our pointer color or main color. I will add it brand color, and normal text color would be white. Okay, pointer color and active pointer color would be the brand color, and here text color also white, and border radius to 5 something. Okay, now click on publish and let's check. Okay, so it's overlapping each other. Let's add some gap in between these two items. Under city, okay, now it's perfect. Alright, so now let's make it responsive. It's good for the tablet, but not for the mobile. Okay, now okay, here we have to do one thing. We have to add the login and the login button. Okay, let me show you what will be the exact logic. So when user is not login, okay, so they will have a login button instead of dashboard. Okay, and for the rest your login users, they will have a dashboard button but not the login. Okay, so this is basically will be implemented by using a third-party plugin, which is visibility, dynamic visibility. Okay, so for now okay, let's add this functionalities over here. Okay, for that I will use first the button. We will add the button over here as a login. Here ship this to end. Okay, and reduce its margin from bottom little bit. Now let's give its name as a login, and give it color to I will give the same color as the brand color. Okay, and here okay, so this is the menu, right? Click on publish. We need to hide this dashboard if the user is not login on the website. So let me see if this option appears in the menus. Okay, currently it is not available, so we need to add one more plugin, which is visibility for dynamic visibility. Okay, which is the very nice plugin to hide the elements from the website according to the user roles and other elements as well. Dynamic visibility. This, okay, first by dynamic.oo. Okay, now let's make it dynamic. So here you will see the visibility option. Okay, now click the visibility, yes, and under, so we have to hide this button always, but user must be if user is not logged in. Okay, sorry, we need to show this button if the user is not logged in. Okay, let me show you. Currently I am logged in, so it should not be up here. Okay, the button is not visible here. Again refresh this menus, and under this dashboard, so here we will do one thing. Select this, and under visibility, here always hide if the user is not logged in. Okay, means these menu items, which is home and dashboard, will be unavailable for the non-login users. Let me show you. Let's open this in incognito mode, and you will see that the home and dashboard menus are not visible except this login button. Okay, great. Now here the view for the tablet is good, but not for the mobile. So what we will do here, we will simply hide this from the menu. So here responsive and hide from the menu. Okay, so currently it's not set properly, so here make this 100% and also this container 100%. Okay, now reduce the height, the width of this container, so that the login button will shift with this icon. Okay, like this, and align items to center. Okay, click on publish, and let's check the preview. Inspect, and there it's working fine. Okay, all right, so our header is ready. Okay, now what we will do here, we will just customize our home page. So select the home page, or directly from here edit the page, edit with Elementor. So here you will see the effect, this background effect and these animations. Okay, so we will add those things right now. Let's change the color first. So to change the color for this page, we need to change this content background. Okay, so I will just copy the color code that we have set for the background here. Okay, click on publish, and here we have our background color. Okay, so first let me show you one thing. We have this kind of background. Okay, you will see the animation. So it's actually an SVG animation. So first of all, we will add a container. Okay, here I will increase with 2. Okay, so I will keep it 1400. Make direction to row horizontal, because we have to show these two ads on both the sides. So I will basically make it full width. Okay, and also row horizontal direction 1 time and 2 times. For this I will put the 30%, and here 30%. Okay, now in this mid column we have to set the title and our tool. So let's add the title, which is heading. It is center, so I will copy this heading, paste, make it to H1. Also we need to adjust some styling. I will make it black, color to white, and text size to 50 or 60 something. Okay, so then we have this type of text. So I will use the heading, paste the text, keep it H3, and I will just keep the weight size to 400 and color to white. Okay, now we will set a background. Go to style for this full container. Okay, I will upload the background. Adjust is center, not center, it's should be top center. Okay, and no repeat display size to cover. Alright, now we have to just shift this container to the top. Select this container and margin from top. So it will look like this. Now what we have to do, we have to adjust the padding from the top. Adjust the padding according to the container and this background. or instead of setting this padding, you can actually increase the height like this. Okay, and set this to the center. As soon as we will add the tool just below it, so it will expand more in the downward side, so we need to adjust the height. Now what we will do here, we need to add this type of icons. In few moments we will add the animation. Okay, so here I will use list, set to horizontal and in the center. First it CSS, just remove the text, HTML. Actually this should be on the top, and this JavaScript. Okay, now let's style the icons, make it white and increase the size. Okay, I will just reduce the gap. Okay, now it's looking perfect. Next what we have to do here, we have to add the animation. Okay, for that what we will do here, we will add a container and make it full width, and then add HTML. Now we will add our SVG code. Copy this code and paste here. So you will see here background, nice background effect. Okay, now what we have to do here, to shift this on the top, you can either make it absolute or just adjust the margin from top. So adjusting the margin from top, it becomes very hard, or you can say very unnecessary margin we will add. So it's better to make it absolute, so it will automatically shift to the upper side. Okay, now it's looking good. I hope you understand. Let's publish it and preview this. So don't worry about this, it will just adjust as soon as we will add a code tool in just below this. Okay, so it will go. Next let's add the tool. So here basically we have the code already, and here you can see that the problem. Okay, so let me show you what's the exactly. Go to structure and you will see here it's at the bottom. I will make it at the top. So here as you can see, our animation effects is hidden actually behind this container. So here we have to adjust from here. So this is the container, we will make it at the top, but you can't edit the other things of this container. As you can see, it's not editable or clickable. So we can do one thing here. I will simply remove the image from here. Okay, I will move this at the top this HTML and go to style, and I will add the background on this image, on this effect, okay, on this container where the effect is. I have added it as HTML, okay. Position will be top center, display size no repeat, and display size cover, sorry, repeat no repeat, display size cover, okay. Now it's editable. Click on publish and let's take the preview. Okay, now it's looking perfect. So we have just added our background. Now it's time to add a tool. So tool is developed using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we need this HTML widget, okay, and I will, and this is the most important steps. Please watch this carefully, okay. First we will add the HTML, copy this code and paste here, okay. Now you will see that it's all automatically taken the CSS for this code. This is because the let me show you here the src file for the style sheet, okay. You will see here the style sheet reference, means this is the link where I should take the CSS, okay, and this is the link taken or created from my previous website which been already designed and developed, okay. So that's why it's showing. So in your case, what to do, just open your hosting, go to file manager and locate your website, okay. Either you can create the folder over here, create a folder. I will name it as code editor, okay, and this is the file, and you have to place your style.css and script.js file, okay. So upload, this is the JS file, and now I will upload the CSS file, okay, and this is the CSS file. Close this and reload it. Now we have our two files. Now how to check if these are working, okay. So first of all, what's your domain? So this is my domain slash, and I had given the folder name as code editor and slash what the style.css, and you will see that we have all the CSS inside this link. Now it's valid. Just copy this and paste here, okay, here. Similarly, in case of script file, you have to put the your URL from here, okay. You have to put here in the same way like we did for the CSS. So I hope you understand, okay. That was the simplest part. Click on publish and let's check the preview. Alright, so here is our tool. So we need to just adjust the padding from top. It's very near to this header. Select this container, adjust the margin from top, give it to 100 something, okay. Okay, now it's looking perfect. So currently the features functionalities will not be work, because we need to add another helping, or the you can say manager plugin, which will handle its functionalities. Okay, so before installing the plugin, we will first create the other sections like this mid one and also the footer. So for this I will not design them from scratch. I will simply upload the templates one by one. Okay, so these sections are very easy to design, you can implement by your own. Okay, so let's add them from here. Click on not plus here, folder, templates, and let's upload from here. So select your template. This is, in my case, this is the template. Click on insert and click on apply. Okay, so here I just imported the template from the previous website. Okay, and it's very easy. Let's change the color of this text, white. Okay, and here also text color to white, and here icon would be white. So content text color white, and also bigger content text color white. Okay, you can change the hover from here and just copy and paste the style. Okay, that's it. Let's change the color. Here I use the span tag, okay, to separate the words. Color will be and this color will be same. Now change for this. You can change for one card and it will be reflected in all other widgets within the same widgets. Okay, it should be same widgets. Longer content, this. Just copy and paste style. And here is our frequently asked questions. So these sections are very easy to understand and design. So that's why I just keep this part. I will show you the main part. Okay, so we have these things. Now let's add the footer. First let's publish this. Go to your dashboard and under it you will see here the theme builder, and create the header, not header, this footer, and let's edit. Okay, so here is the footer section. Let's change the color for this as well. Not for this. change this color to white. So these menu colors, and I will set the pointer color to white, and text color would be this. Okay, and also add text color and pointer to black. Now it's perfect. It's responsive as well. You can reduce the padding from the responses. Keep it 10. Okay, click on publish, add condition to enter a site. Okay, now let's take the preview. You can add more pages like privacy policy and other. Let's add the gap in between. Alright, so go back to dashboard. Okay, you can place ads in these sections. Now check here. So here let's check. Okay, click on save, type there, and see that it's working in the front end. Okay, but it's not connected with the back end because we haven't installed the it's a manager plugin for this code snippets. Okay, then it will work. Now let's install the plugin. It's a simple single one plugin which will work entirely for the website. So add plugin, and also there are some code snippets which we have to upload and copy on the inside the PHP functions. Click on install and activate this plugin. Alright, and here go to refresh this plugin, click on save and set the name as whatever the name of your code snippet. Click on save. It's still not saving this code because we need to add some codes inside the functions.php of this theme of this website. So go to functions.php, just copy and paste. So this is basically to enqueue the scripts which we have installed for the plugin, which currently we installed the plugin, so it will work accordingly. Okay, now update. We need to make ensure that every file are uploaded within the website folder, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so locate your website, and here we had recently uploaded these files. Now what we do, go to content, themes, and their assets and CSS. We have to upload a CSS file, code snippets. Okay, that's it. So here is our plugin. Okay, now everything is uploaded properly. Now let's refresh this and let's check it. Okay, so here is the tool. Now click on save, add a name and click on save. Now project saved successfully. So this tool is working perfectly. Okay, so there are some files we need to upload. Okay, and you're done. Let's load. The projects are loading and other functionalities are working as well. Alright, the next part we have to implement this dashboard. Now before moving to the dashboard, we will first add the user registration pages like login page, registration page and password reset page. Okay, so let's install the plugin, and also we will implement this login. Let me show you. Currently we had implemented this okay, so header is not visible. This is because we had just adjusted. Let's adjust the z index for the header. So here is the header, and the index you can set to 100. Now let's refresh it. Now it's showing this button and logo as well. Recently we had just set this static button, okay, but implemented the dynamic conditions. So we will just redirect or make it functional to redirect the original login page. Okay, only login, not the register. So let's do that. First install the ultimate member plugin. Here is our ultimate member. So simply I will upload the templates because I have already made a lot of videos creating the user registration page using the ultimate member and how you can modify them or design. So go to ultimate member, and here under settings create the login page, register page, the logout page, and also password recovery pages. Okay, so basically we have these pages. Under the dashboard you can see the code snippets. Alright, so visit the all pages, and first we will add the login. Okay, but before that we have to just modify our ultimate member forms. Go to forms, the first login form. Here username. Okay, so first make it customize the form, yes. Show with label, instead select show inside text field. Secondary button no. Forget password link also no, and show email also no. And here you can set the custom URL letter. We will put here the URL of the dashboard page. Now edit, cut this and paste inside. So search for user, best suitable icon for this field. Here let's do with the registration form. And customize this form, show inside text field, register button no. Okay, now go to pages. First open the login page, click on edit, set template to Elementor full width, and save and click edit with Elementor. Now just delete this because we are going to upload the template directly. So Here click on folder button, and under templates select upload and locate your login page. Also we have to set not the full width, it should be a Elementor canvas. Here click on insert, go to settings and here change to Elementor canvas. Alright, so let's change the color. Okay, click on publish. Let's check the preview of this page. It's a login page, so I will open this in incognito mode. Alright, and you can see that we have this unmodified or the default login form. Okay, what we can do here, we have to just copy the pre-designed CSS and that's it. Let me show you. Go to appearance, go to customize and copy the code, and don't worry, everything will be included in this template. I already teach you how to add a CSS code under this additional CSS. Just copy and paste here. Click on publish. Now refresh this page and here your form. Alright, let's do with the registration form. Close this login. This register page. Elementor canvas. Click on save and edit with Elementor. Again, just close this. Click on this folder. We'll upload the same template for the register page. I already back up the template files from the previous design so that we will save a lot of time. Okay, you can easily design these things, it's very easy. Just copy this and paste the style. Okay, and make sure you have just copied the URL for this button for the login page. Now click on publish and let's check the preview. Copy link, login and register a free account. Alright, click on save and we have this reset password, so it's also working. Let's design this password page. Same, make it canvas and edit with Elementor. Alright, let's check the page. So we have this password reset page. Now we have implemented all the user registration pages. Now let's interlink with this dashboard. And what we can do here, just go to Ultimate Forms. I assume this is our dashboard page, so copy the link, login, and paste the link here. Okay, so when user will log in, it will be redirected to this dashboard page. Now here is the dashboard page. Click on edit and edit with Elementor. So this will be our dashboard page. Now I will also implement, so there is no need to implement, we will simply write this text and this description and these things, and you can see here some code snippets. So these are basically fetch using the shortcodes. So we'll show you in few moments. Dashboard, close these tabs, so don't need this anymore. Add container, add some padding and header, center it, set to center. I will make it H1 and change color to white. Just below I will copy the text. Okay, duplicate. Let's change its weight. So what's the text? Manage and organize. Okay, that's perfect. Now go to, let me show you which shortcut is that. Search the widget for the shortcode and paste. The shortcode is code_project_grid. Okay, recently we had saved these code snippets and showing over here. Click on publish. Alright, let's preview. Here is the dashboard and it's showing. Okay, now whatever the you code and you save it, it will show here from every unique users. Okay, you can also load from here. Here you will see the every user's projects will be listed and can load from here. Alright, now what we need to do here, here just we need to add one thing under this header. Let's add the login page link. header. Okay, here save the internal link, and here content, and we'll search for login. Okay, it's done. So this is our fully functional the tool website for the coders. Okay, just visit the website webcrawl.co.in and you will find a complete template, or you can say website you can download from there. Okay, here is the template, live code playground. From here you can download it for free. Okay, and everything is included within the zip file. Alright, so this was the quick tutorial for on this website. So I hope you understand this tutorial, and it was quick and easy as well. So I have explained you everything that need to be done in this website. So in the same way, I will be back with another interesting tutorial which will help you in the real-time world. Okay, so for now, goodbye, take care.